If Keypirinha isn't behaving the way you expect, resetting its settings can often solve the problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset Keypirinha settings safely while keeping a backup of your existing configuration in case you want to restore it later. Before making any changes, completely close Keypirinha. If it's still running in the background, open Task Manager, locate the Keypirinha process, and select End Task. Yeah, this ensures none of the configuration files are being used while you reset them. Next, locate Keypirinha's user configuration folder. This is where your personal settings, custom commands, bookmarks, package configurations, and other preferences are stored. Before resetting anything, create a backup of your configuration files. Simply copy the entire configuration folder to another location. That way, you can restore your previous settings later if you change your mind. Now reset the settings by renaming or deleting the existing configuration files. The next time Keypirinha starts, it will generate fresh default configuration files using the original settings. Open Keypirinha once more. It should start with the default configuration. So test the launcher, search for a few applications, and verify that everything is working normally. If needed, you can copy individual settings back from your backup later, and that's how to reset Keypirinha settings. Resetting the configuration is a simple way to fix many common issues while giving you the option to restore your previous setup from a backup if necessary. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other Keypirinha tutorials.